Updating your legal name on SurveyMonkey is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your name is updated quickly and efficiently. Step 1. Log in. Access your SurveyMonkey account by entering your username and password on the login page. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Edit personal information. In the account settings section, look for the option labeled Personal Information or Profile. Click on it to open the fields where your current name is displayed. Step 4. Update your name. Locate the field for your legal name and enter your new name. Make sure to double check for any spelling errors before proceeding. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new name, scroll down and click the Save button to apply the changes. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that your name has been successfully updated. By following these steps, you can quickly update your legal name on SurveyMonkey. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to SurveyMonkey's customer support for assistance.